Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will discuss muscle action example V. Foot dorsiflexion. The primary muscles involved in dorsiflexion are the tibialis anterior, extensor digitorum longus, and the extensor hallucis longus. Dorsiflexion is easily demonstrated by asking students to stand with both feet flat on the ground, then lift the ball of one foot up off the ground while the heel of that foot remains firmly on the ground. As a little etymology quiz for your students, first inquire if they know the origin of the term dorsiflexion. If not, take the opportunity to give a brief anatomy etymology lesson. While the sole of the foot is called the plantar surface, the top of the foot is called the dorsum of the foot. Therefore, when you extend your foot, it's called plantarflexion, and, inversely, when you flex your foot upwards to